Every dawn, in the places where you find growth, someone has already begun their day. They are hardworking, adaptive, and filled with strength. They are tied inexorably to both the land and the sky. A long, rich history of farming can be found anywhere you look. Fueled by the mountains, rivers, and lakes, the growth marches on. And drone technology too has now arrived to march with agriculture as well. They are every one of us. We are farmers who dream big but stay down to earth. We love this land and believe that our gains are the sweetest when hard fought. We believe technological innovation opens up the world and makes the future possible. The life in our hands is a life worth nurturing. Gifts given by nature can work side by side with the wonders of technology. We are idealists in action, using flight routes to measure the meaning of life, and always at home with the land. We are new farmers who partner with nature. With drones on the forefront of the future, DJI Agriculture would like to dedicate this video to every farmer. The future of agriculture has never been brighter.